Please note, some non-GP appointments may be chargeable and payment may be required to book online. Select the type of appointment you'd like to book. You can use the search bar to narrow down the list of services, or use the headers available. Select See Available Providers. Patient Access will use your postcode to search for any local providers and display their prices. Select your chosen provider and a date and time. Depending on the service, you may need to select the appointment type. Select Continue. If the service is chargeable and payable online, you will be prompted to add your online payment method. Then select Book Appointment, and your appointment will be booked and you will receive an email confirming the appointment details.